We spot that this is a highlighted text question. The conclusion of the argument is this last sentence here. Now let's link the highlighted parts with the conclusion. Broadly speaking, the first part is something that supports the conclusion, and the second part is also something that supports the conclusion. Therefore, our broad expectation from the correct answer choice is on the lines that the first highlighted text supports the conclusion and the second highlighted text also supports the conclusion. Remember, this is our broad expectation. We are never going to get an answer choice that says exactly the same thing. Some reasoning would always be needed. Answer choice D says that first supports an intermediate conclusion. So yes, the first supports this intermediate conclusion. Please notice this argument can be said to have two conclusions, one here and one here. And yes, the intermediate conclusion supports a later conclusion. So yes, this intermediate conclusion supports this later conclusion. And yes, the second highlighted text is the intermediate conclusion that we are talking about. So answer choice D uses very different terms from what we were expecting, but it suggests roles which are quite in sync with our broad expectation from the correct answer choice. Therefore, D is going to be the correct answer choice. No, the second does not provide evidence in favor of something that objects the argument. Both first and second highlighted texts are very much in sync with the argument. No, the first cannot be called the main conclusion of the argument. The first supports an intermediate conclusion, leads to the final conclusion. A similar problem with choice B. The first is not the overall conclusion of the argument, and it is not that the second supports the first. In fact, it is the other way around. The first highlighted text supports the second highlighted text. No, the first does not state the intermediate conclusion. The second does so, and the second does not assert a stand that is opposed by the argument. First as well as second are in sync with the argument. They each support the argument. Therefore, overall answer choice D does a fair job at establishing the role played by the two highlighted portions in the argument. D is the correct answer choice.